What's up, YouTube? So, April and I were just listening to somebody. I don't want to say his name, but I'll show you. So, you got Ford Master Tech, whatever his name is. I like this guy. But there was a guy who was saying that he's going through the internet, YouTube, and finding clown mechanics who are talking bad about K&N filters. I personally think it's a great product. Where the K&N filter fails is that the mechanic or the consumer or the customer improperly installing it, and he's 100% right. When he said some customer's garbage, you take the car in for an oil change. It has the fancy sticker on the air box, and guess what? Jiffy Lube and regular mechanic shops don't even open it. You know why? Because the customer's not going to pay you $50 to clean it. And maybe even more. Some of these air boxes are a pain in the ass to get into. But the problem with washable and reusable filters, the average customer is not maintaining that air filter. And that's where reusable and washable filters in all your vehicles fall short. So if you're an enthusiast, and we're going to say Green Dragon, he's probably an enthusiast and he stays on top of it and he maintains his washable air filters. Good for you, dude. When I ride motocross, air filter gets done before I go, and then when I'm done, it comes out and gets washed. That's extreme high-end maintenance of your filter. Green Dragon, if you think that the people out there the majority of people who buy a K&N filter probably have never been washed since they installed it. And that's where I think the problem comes through. Now, this Ford Master Tech, he's a great guy. He may have found some filters that don't fit too well. He does this every day. I can imagine he's probably found hundreds of cone-type filters installed wrong and causing drivability problems on top of not being maintained. And if you ever look at a K&N filter that's done properly, I've even pulled them out where the customer hasn't even pre-maintenance them before they put them in. They're dry and they're full of dirt and they're disgusting. So, are washable filters good? If you maintain it. If you don't maintain it, you might as well buy a paper filter or OEM and then, take care of it. The air that's going into your engine is so crucial, like he was saying about, Master Tech, about wearing your cylinder walls and your valve stems and your valve seats, dirt particles, silica, dust, you name it, pollen is ridiculous here. And I've seen some filters that, and it says, it's a K&N filter installed, don't worry about it. That's so far from the truth. If you have a serviceable, washable, aftermarket air filter, you need to maintain that. It is not maintenance free.